Retirement isn't about generating maximum investment returns. Imagine two couples who retire at age 65. They both have about $1.8 million saved, mostly in traditional IRAs and 401ks. Both earn roughly the same 6% investment return. On the surface, their situations look almost identical. But they make one key decision differently. The first couple delays touching their IRA as long as possible and wait until RMDs begin in their early 70s to touch their IRA. So when RMDs start, they're forced to take large taxable withdrawals each year. Then that income stacks on top of their Social Security, and now they may face things like higher Social Security taxation and higher Medicare premiums. Now, the second couple takes a different approach. During their 60s, they intentionally withdraw some money from their IRA each year while their tax bracket is relatively low. The goal is to smooth out their taxable income over time. So when their RMDs begin, the IRA balance is smaller than it would have been if they had just left it alone like the first couple. Now, both couples had the same starting assets and the same investment returns over time, but on an after-tax basis, they had very different outcomes, simply because the timing decisions that they made were different. The first couple has a growing RMD problem that becomes increasingly hard to deal with, while the second couple strategically whittled down their IRAs to make their RMD situation more manageable as they age. And it's these decisions that can quietly add or subtract hundreds of thousands of dollars from a retirement plan over time. If you find this idea interesting, it actually connects to a larger framework I teach about how tax planning changes through the 4 different stages of retirement. Because the opportunities to make smart timing decisions tend to appear at very specific points, especially in the early years after you retire. I walk through that entire framework in my free training called How Tax Planning Changes Through the 4 Stages of Retirement. You can watch that training by clicking the link in the description below.
And if you're looking for another video to watch, check this video out right here. I think you'll enjoy it.
And if you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hi, my name is Justin Haywood, President and CEO of Haywood Wealth Management. And if you're interested in learning more about how we help our clients live their life to the fullest, visit us at haywoodwealth.com.